Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a McDonald's going 3 miles.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
For 2D?
Yes.
There you go. Thank you. Have a good
Thank
day.
you. You too. Total for that one was $7. We're going back to McDonald's. This one is going 4.5 miles.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
Good morning.
Morning.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Oh, very nice. No tip on that one. Total was $4. Finally got an order. This is Black Rock Coffee, $7, going 2 miles. Thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Starbucks, $7 and change, going about 4 miles.
Perfect. Thank you.
Ew. We got a high mileage order here. We got Donut Nook going 7 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $9. I would not say that was worth it by any means. Got this next order right away. This is a McDonald's going 5.5 miles. Okay, I just got here and they're giving me an add-on. This is going an extra mile. I mean, yeah, might as well. Total for that stack was $12 and change. Pretty good. And we got the next order right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $12 going 3 miles, 4 items.
Prepared offerings from Signature Cafe. Limited-time drinkware from Starbucks Cafe.
Welcome. If you have your club card, please remember.
Next order up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $9 going 6 miles. Thank you. Next order up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one is $7 going 2.5 miles. Thank you. This one is most likely a mistake, but we're gonna do it anyways. We've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Donut Nook and Pete's Coffee. This says it's going 9 miles, but the GPS is also routed very poorly, so I think I can cut that down to maybe like 7.
Good morning.
Morning. We've got a Vicky. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Do you want to check up front by the door?
There's nothing
should be a
there.
name on the front.
There's nothing there.
There's nothing there?
No.
Somebody else might have picked it up. Do I need to remake it? Team?
Probably, because I have their other food in the car, so someone probably took it, honestly.
Okay, like another dasher? Okay, like that. Single drink for Vicky.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pretty sure somebody yoinked their drink. Also, it's a single drink and 7 donuts, so this is most likely going to be a terrible order. Total for that was $15. Yeah, that was not worth it. It took way too long. Next order up, we've got a nectar juice bar. This one's going 5 miles. Thank you. Hello.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day.
You too.
Total for that one was $8. Meh. Could be better, could be worse. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $12 going 5 miles, 3 items. Hello.
Hi. Thank you for asking.
No problem. You got your ID with you?
I do.
Perfect. That was a really quick order. From start to finish, it took just under 15 minutes. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. $14 going 6 miles, 4 items.
There's different ones. There's a mixture. There's a variety brand here for $20.
Mind grabbing one of those for me?
One of these?
Yeah. Exact one I'm looking for. Thank you.
I think you've had them before?
No, I'm shopping for somebody.
Okay.
Shout outs to that guy for calling out the exact thing that I was looking for. Couldn't find it, but turns out he was right in front of it. Anyone else got a headache, or is it just me? I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 10:25. Current total, we are at 119, and I think we're just waiting on one Uber tip, which should bring it up to like 126, something like that. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.